2 hours before Cambridge Commons was evacuated Monday night around 10:15, two roommates knew something was very wrong.
I was like, this is not normal. I felt like we were saying that, like, not exaggerating. We were like, we feel like we're dying, which was not a lie.
Morgan Bateman and Lauren Drager's room was right over the faulty boiler blamed for the leak. They were the most seriously ill and the first to alert police.
Yeah, I credit Morgan for like everything. Like she saved everyone.
So we thought we were gonna pass out as we were walking to the front desk, and I told Lauren, I was like, I will carry you. I'm forcing you to come with me because this is messed up.
I collapsed multiple times because I couldn't stand, and I did not think I could make it to the front desk, and Morgan was like, no, we have to go.
A friend took them to Sinai's ER, but as soon as staff saw the extremely high levels of carbon monoxide in their blood, they were rushed by ambulance to a hyperbaric chamber at St. Luke's.
The nurse and they were all telling us oh, if you had fallen back to sleep, which I totally was going to just go back to sleep because while I was sleeping I felt better. They said if we went back to sleep, we probably would have died in our sleep.
2 days later, UWM administration admitted they didn't have carbon monoxide detectors there or in any campus residence hall. Over the last 2 days, they've installed them.
I just assumed. I thought they were broken and that's why they didn't go off. I think it's seriously messed up considering literally just because I felt like I was dying, the only reason why we went, and we could have just slept it off. It's so messed up. I'm happy I'm not dead, but I could have died.
So very scary. Nick, 17 students were sick enough to need to go to a hospital. I understand university staff is there at the dorm now meeting with affected residents.
Right, Joyce, they had a meeting this evening between 4:30 and wrapping up right around now, apologizing for poor communication during and immediately after the evacuation. It doesn't, of course, change the fact that many parents and students are upset about how this whole situation has played out.
Nick Bohr reporting live.